Your Philips TV turns on, you can hear the sound, but the screen stays completely black. In this video, I will show you how to fix the black screen with sound issue using safe and simple troubleshooting steps. From quick resets to checking cables and connections, each method is easy to follow and doesn't require opening the TV. The first thing you should try is a basic power reset. Unplug your Philips TV from the wall outlet and wait for at least 60 seconds. This gives the TV time to fully power down and clear any temporary glitches. After the 60 seconds are up, plug the TV back in and turn it on. Sometimes, this simple reset is all it takes to get the picture working again. If the basic reset didn't work, try a hard reset using the TV's physical power button. First, unplug the TV from the wall. Then, find the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, and press and hold it for 30 seconds. After that, release the button and wait another 30 seconds. Then plug the TV back in and turn it on. This step helps drain any leftover power inside the TV, which can fix deeper issues that a simple unplug wouldn't solve. If your TV still has sound but no picture, the issue might be with the backlight. To check this, make the room dark and turn your TV on. Then take a flashlight or the torch on your phone and shine it at an angle close to the screen. Look closely to see if you can spot any faint images or movement. If you do see faint visuals, that means the TV is working, but the backlight isn't turning on to light up the screen. Now let's check your external connections. Start by unplugging everything from the back of the TV, except the power cable. That means all HDMI, USB, and any other cables should be disconnected. Once everything is unplugged, turn your TV back on. If the screen starts working again, then one of those external devices was likely causing the issue. You can plug the devices back in one by one to figure out which one is the problem. If nothing else has worked so far, try a factory reset. Look around the sides or back of your TV for a small hole labeled Reset. Take a paper clip, bend it if needed, and press it into the hole. Hold it down for about 15 seconds until the TV restarts. This will reset your Philips TV to its original settings, just like when it was brand new, and can fix software issues that may be causing the black screen. That's it for this video on how to fix your Philips TV when you have sound but no picture. I hope these step-by-step methods helped you get your screen working again without needing to open up the TV. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes you can do at home. Got questions, or did one of these steps work for you? Drop a comment below. I'd really like to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.